Well, hello students, welcome back to Math Application class with me, Mr. Alfie. In this video, we're going to learn about box and whisker plots. Let's check this video out. I hope you still remember how box and whisker plot looks like. This is box and whisker plot looks like. This is the whisker, it's the minimum value and the maximum value, and then the box, it's represent Q1, Q2 or the median, and Q3. Remember, each part is actually 25% from the minimum to Q1, from Q1 to Q2, and so on and so on. So, for Q1 is actually 25% of the data. For Q2 is 50% of the data because Q2 is the median. Divide the data in two equally. And Q3 is actually 75% of the data. In chemistry experiment, the volume in centimeter cube of a gas produced under different conditions are measured. This is the volume of gas produced represented in box and whisker plot. As you know, this is the minimum value, this is Q1, this is Q2 or the median, this is Q3, and this is the maximum. Now, state the median of the volume. As you know, the median is Q2, so Q2 equal to 24. Find the range of the volumes of the gas. You know that the range is actually the maximum subtracted with the minimum. So the maximum is 27 and the minimum is 21. So the range is 27 subtracted with 21 equal to 6. Find the interquartile range of the volumes of the gas. You know that interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 24.5 and Q1 is 23. So the IQR equal to 1.5. Next example. There are 400 sunflower seedlings of the same height in a laboratory. A botanist grows 200 seedlings each in two different conditions, which condition A and condition B. The height of the plants after 2 months are observed and summarized in box and whisker plot below. This is the box and whisker plot that represent the height of sunflower plants in condition A and condition B. Which condition has the highest height? As you know, this is the highest for condition A and this is the highest from condition B. So the highest height is actually condition A. Which condition has the lowest height? As you know, this is the lowest for condition A and this is the lowest from condition B. So the lowest height is condition A. Which condition has the greatest range of the height? We have to find each range of each condition. So the range of A is maximum subtracted with the minimum. 55 minus 20 equal to 35. The range of B is 50 minus 25 equal to 25. So the greatest range is condition A also. Determine the percentage of heights that were higher than 45 for condition A. In condition A, this is 45. As you can see, 45 is actually Q3 on condition A. This is the part of the data that highest than 45. It means highest than Q3. From Q3 to the maximum is 25% of the data. If the height in condition B were ordered in ascending, determine the possibility for the 100th and 110th heights. The 100th in condition B is actually the median because this data is represent 200 sunflowers. So the 100th data is actually the median n per 2. So the median or the 100th data is actually 39. Now let's talk about 110th heights or 110th data. We know that the 110th is actually between the median or the Q2 and the Q3. Here, it's greater than Q2 but lower than Q3. The possibility of 110th height is actually the 40 or the 41, because this number are actually greater than Q2 but lower than Q3. That's the possibility of 110th heights. Next, what heights are 75% of the heights lower than? We know that 75% of data is actually Q3. So, for condition A, the heights are 75% of the heights lower than is 45. For condition B is actually 42.